current situation related to our school closures makes it difficult or impossible to obtain paper pencil signatures to obtain consent for IEP meetings. Under California and federal law, it is acceptable for participants to utilize electronic signatures in order to obtain consent for IEPs. And if an electronic signature is not readily available, we can initiate services with email consent, but the current advice is that we should endeavor to obtain either an electronic signature or paper pencil signature at some point. There are multiple different applications you can use to obtain electronic signatures, like DocuSign. Today, we're going to go through a quick introduction to using Adobe Sign to that end. You can start by simply doing a Google search for Adobe Sign and clicking on the first result. When you get to the Adobe Sign homepage, click Start Free Trial, and it'll take you to this screen. Adobe has currently extended its free trial due to the COVID crisis. Go ahead and click Sign Small Business and set up a user account. You can use your MVUSD email to sign in and create an account, put in all your pertinent information. You don't have to share any credit card information or anything like that. And hopefully a 90-day trial will be long enough to meet our IEP signature needs during this time. Once you've entered all your information, click Create Account. It'll send a verification email to the email that you register with. Go ahead and check your email and complete the verification process. Once you complete email verification, go ahead and sign in. Your home screen will look like this. Go over to the top right side where your name is and click Quick Start Guide. Look through the video tutorials and initial setup information that they have. When you're ready to send a document for signature, go ahead and click Send. Make sure you have a PDF of that document saved on your computer. You can obtain that by going through the print process in SACE. When you click Print, click Print as PDF and then save to your preferred location on your computer. All you will need from your participants in order to send the document for signature is their email address. Input the email addresses of all the participants you need to sign this document. After this, you'll go through a process where you click each section that each participant needs to sign. Name your document and include a description if you'd like. There are options also to password protect and set reminders to make sure your document gets signed. Now you can drag and drop or add files from your computer. Once you have selected the document or documents that you would like to upload and send for signature, it'll show up in the screen. Go ahead and click Next. The system will process your documents and take you to a screen where you can choose signature fields. On the right side of the screen, you will be able to make selections for where each participant needs to sign. Go ahead and go through each participant and add a signature field for each participant in the appropriate spot. It has many options, including text input for dates, check boxes, signatures, initials, and lots of other things that we probably won't need. You can drag and drop each field into the required location for that participant. So put the parent's signature into the parent signature places and put a text box in where a date might go. IEP consent page, there are checkboxes. You can add those as well. It will prompt each of your recipients to go through each of the fields that you have added for them. Once you're finished with that recipient, go on to the next recipient and add all the fields that they will need to interact with. Once you've completed adding all the fields that are required for each recipient, click Send, and that will send the document for each recipient to sign. If you click on Manage, you can look at your document, you can open the document, and you can remind participants that they need to sign the document. If all participants have finished signing, you'll get an email notifying you. Go ahead and click the link in the email to open the document. You'll see the signatures of your participants. Save that document as a PDF, upload it to SACE, and you have your IEP consent completed.